Understanding an employee evaluation. Achieving success at work. What is an employee evaluation? An evaluation is conducted by a supervisor. The evaluation measures and tells how an employee is performing at work. Be aware there are other names that employee evaluations are referred to. For example, performance evaluations, job evaluations, and lastly, performance reviews. How often are employees evaluated at work? Most companies conduct evaluations every 6 months, some once a year. New employees are often evaluated within the first 3 months. What are the work skill areas that employees are evaluated? It does tend to vary from employer to employer, but some common areas are quality of work, communication, teamwork, attendance, dependability, and leadership. Here are an example of 2 employee evaluations. Though they look different, they do tend to measure similar work skill areas. So what are the benefits of you receiving a positive employee evaluation? There's quite a few of them. You may receive a better work schedule, more hours, more desirable job position, perhaps a promotion, and a raise. What are the consequences of a bad employee evaluation? Perhaps no raise, maybe a demotion, undesirable schedule, or less hours, a probability of being placed on probation, and worst of all, maybe being fired. What does it mean to be placed on probation? If you score poorly in one or more areas on the eval, you could be possibly placed on probation. On probation, you'll be closely monitored, and you must make improvements by the next eval or risk being fired. What is a review meeting? A review meeting is when the supervisor meets with an employee to discuss and go over their job performance evaluation. There are tips for effectively dealing with a review meeting. By following these tips will help you lower your anxiety as well as improve the outcome of the review meeting. For the first tip, you're going to want to prepare yourself for the review meeting. You can do this by making a list of ways you have contributed at work. Then share a few of these things at the meeting. For the second tip, before the review meeting, make sure you develop a work-related goal you can share with your supervisor. Create a work-related goal such as learning a new job skill or taking on a new job responsibility. For tip number 3, during the review meeting, remain positive. Look at the feedback and constructive criticism as an opportunity to become a better employee. Be thankful. For the final tip, tip 4, don't be afraid to ask questions. You should ask for advice. Ask how you can improve to be a better employee. Ask what you need to do to advance within the company. A few final thoughts. Remember, by learning what is being evaluated is key to being successful in the workplace. Second, you need to take action. Learn and perform those skills that are measured.